Hey there. Is a mysterious white line scrolling left to right across your Bose Smart Soundbar leaving you puzzled and frustrated? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix Bose Smart Soundbar white line scrolling left to right and restore the seamless audio experience you deserve. Our comprehensive approach will ensure you're back to enjoying crystal clear sound in no time. Step 1. Restart your soundbar. One of the simplest yet most effective initial steps is performing a basic restart. Unplug your soundbar from the power source, wait for at least 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This process can reset any minor glitches or temporary software bugs causing the issue. Once you've powered it back on, check if the white line has disappeared. If the problem persists, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can lead to performance issues, including visual glitches such as a persistent white line. To fix this, ensure your Bose Smart Soundbar is connected to Wi-Fi and use the Bose Music app to check for any available firmware updates. Navigate to the app settings, select your soundbar, and look for any pending updates. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. Updating your firmware often resolves visual and audio problems as it includes bug fixes and improvements. Step 3. Check cables and connections. A faulty connection might be the culprit behind the scrolling white line. Inspect all cables connected to your soundbar, especially HDMI and optical cables. Ensure that they are securely connected and free from any visible damage. Reconnect or replace any cables that appear worn or damaged. If you're using a wireless connection, verify that your network is stable and the soundbar isn't experiencing any signal interruptions. Step 4. Reset audio setting. In some cases, incorrect audio settings could be responsible for the white line. Access the audio settings through the Bose Music app and reset them to the factory defaults. Navigate to the audio settings section, select Reset to Default, and confirm your choice. This action will revert any custom configurations that may be causing the issue, helping you identify whether settings were the problem. Step 5. Contact Bose support. If the white line continues to scroll left to right across your soundbar, it may be time to contact Bose support for professional assistance. They can provide further diagnostics and potential repairs or replacement if the issue is hardware related. Bose support can walk you through additional troubleshooting steps and, if necessary, guide you in setting up a repair service. Experiencing a white line scrolling across your Bose Smart Soundbar can be frustrating, but with these steps, you're prepared to tackle the issue head on. From restarting your device and ensuring firmware is up to date, to checking cables and settings, we've covered the bases for. Ultimately, if the problem persists, don't hesitate to reach out to Bose support for expert guidance. By following this guide on how to fix Bose Smart Soundbar white line scrolling left to right, you can restore your device's optimal performance and enjoy uninterrupted audio bliss. Remember, sometimes these issues require patience and a bit of detective work, but before long, you'll be back to immersing yourself in your favorite tunes and shows.